All right, exercise number 9, standing abs. Great exercise to counteract the effects of sitting. We're going to open up the front of our body, lengthen our abs, lengthen our torso. So go ahead, stand with your feet hip distance apart, lift that left heel up so that you're balancing, and then sit back just slightly. Take your arms across your body, and then all I want you to do is just track that arm with your head and reach overhead. Allow your waist to uncoil, okay? So we're rotating at our waist and we're lifting up. Keep your hips more or less stable. They can move a little bit, but what I really want you to do is rotate through your spine. You're kind of rotating on a spiral, okay? So reach up there. Good. Reach, inhaling and exhaling. Really reach, get long. You'll be surprised how much your abs work in this simple exercise. Good. Last one, because we got to move on to the other side. All right, good. Woo, excellent. All right, other side. So now your right heel comes up. You're sitting back like you're sitting into a chair. Arms come across your body, and here we go. Same thing. Just track that hand, that arm with your eyes. And hips, again, they can move just slightly, but what I really want you to do is focus on just rotating through that waist, all right, and getting as long and as tall as you possibly can. Reaching through those fingertips. Gets a nice stretch, super good stretch, but also a great eccentric work in the abdominal area. And that's, remember, what we're trying to do is open up and lengthen the front of our body, because all of that sitting has got us crouched down. So good. Last one. And you're done with standing abs.